We're being joined in the studio by our in-house technical expert, Kunal Botra. Kunal, hi, and thanks for joining us in the studio today. Help us understand this move that we've been seeing, especially in the Nifty today, because in the first half of the day, we did open today's trade, in fact, at a new record high. Then we managed to slip quite a lot, but towards the end of the trading session, we did make up all of those losses as well. So quite the volatility when it comes to Nifty. So help us understand what's the outlook going ahead. And a sector like IT, right, like a defensive sector, what's the outlook on that as well?
So good afternoon. We generally expect that closer to an expiry day. So today was a weekly expiry day for the index, and on that particular front, as well as when you are closer to a psychological mark or a round figure number. So for example, 22,000, 22,500. These are round figure numbers for indices. We expect we tend to expect a lot of volatility for the index on that particular day. So and when we look at this in the entirety of the last 4 or 5 days, the Nifty has been struggling to get back into a strong momentum zone. So net when you look at this on a closing basis, yes, we've been gaining up quite well, but the momentum on the index front is lacking. But that's been offsetted by the gains on the broader market. We've seen advanced decline ratio to be a lot more healthier, even when the indices are going through a patch of mild volatility or consolidation for itself. Now today what we saw, for example, is the Bank Nifty making a strong comeback, and that's the attractive part, because over the last 3 days, in fact 3 days back, we'd seen almost a 43%, 41% drop in the open interest for Bank Nifty. Post that, we've seen very marginal addition of the open interest for Bank Nifty, which means traders are going in light, going into the policy event, and there has been a huge short unwinding which has happened for the Bank Nifty. All of that data point augurs very well, and the fact that we are closer to the all-time levels for the Bank Nifty by a margin of just 400 or 500 points, that also indicates that the market mood should be on the positive side, hopefully post the RBI policy.
Absolutely. So that's what the picture looks like when we're looking at the market as of now. But Kunal, as of now, which are the stocks that you're seeing value emerge in, and where are you generally seeing value emerge in then?
So I'll go with larger cap names this time around, and betting on some of the revival stocks. For example, ITC, something which I've been very bullish on, specifically from that 406, 408 levels. Now the stock has climbed back towards 420, 425 mark. I think at current levels it's looking attractive yet again. So would bet on for a target of 440. Stop loss could be kept at 415 mark for ITC for traders who are looking at a fresh bet. And from the larger cap front, banking side, HDFC Bank is something which again we've been very bullish on, specifically from that extreme oversold point of 1360.70 for HDFC Bank. So I think from that aspect looks extremely attractive. Even at current levels, the stock is a shade below its 200 moving average. So expecting a breakout of the 200 DMA for HDFC Bank, targets of 1570, stop loss at 1500.
All right, Kunal, thanks for taking us through your market view as well as your picks. With that, we'll let you go. Thanks for joining us.